Brittany from Homegrown Traditions. Today I am showing you how to make the best soft sugar cookies. I love a nice thick sugar cookie that you can cut out into shapes and frost and decorate, but it's still soft and chewy on the inside, and this recipe has been our favorite for years. Secret ingredient, I'll tell you right now, is sour cream. And I'm also showing you two different kinds of frosting. So this one is a buttercream that also has sour cream in it, and then I also have one that's just a glaze, and these harden really nice so that you can stack them and give them as gifts. And I just love these cookies and both frostings, so I can't wait to share it with you. To getting great sugar cookies that are easy to work with, easy to cut out, and that hold their shape when they're baking is to have a super chilled dough. So whether you put this in the fridge for a couple hours or into the freezer, you just want to make sure that when you're working with it, it is very cold. So you just flour your surface really well. Flour your dough and your rolling pin. And I like to have these pretty thick, so I roll them out to about 1/4 of an inch thickness. First up, I am going to show you how to make a delicious buttercream frosting that has sour cream in it. And this is my favorite way to eat these sugar cookies. It's still spreadable, you can put sprinkles on it, your kids can decorate with it, but it is so tasty. I'm going to show you how to make my glaze frosting, and this one is great if you're going to be giving a plate of cookies away because it hardens on top and makes it really easy to stack the cookies without them sticking together.